Dear future civil servant, many IAS aspirants often wonder, is it really possible to clear the UPSC exam in the very first attempt? This question arises because year after year, we see several toppers who reach their goal only after multiple attempts. But here's the truth. In the civil services examination, the number of attempts doesn't define your worth. What truly matters is whether you clear the exam or not, irrespective of how many times you've tried. In fact, failure is not the end, it is often the very beginning of a remarkable journey. Let us understand this powerful truth by analyzing the success stories of the top 50 rankers of the Civil Services Exam 2023. Among the top 50 rankers of the Civil Services Exam 2023, we have detailed information about 47 candidates. Out of these, only 4 achieved this incredible feat on their very first attempt. Their names deserve a special mention: Animesh Pradhan, rank 2, Donuru Ananya Reddy, rank 3, Shrishti Dabas, rank 6, and Saurabh Sharma, rank 23. Their achievements speak volumes about the power of clarity, preparation, and consistent hard work. But as inspiring as their journeys are, they are not the only stories that matter. What truly stands out is this: the majority of toppers in 2023 cleared the exam after multiple attempts. 14 candidates succeeded in their second attempt. 12 achieved their dream in the third attempt. 8 emerged victorious in their fourth attempt. 7 cleared it in their fifth attempt. 2 incredibly persistent individuals reached their goal in their sixth attempt. These figures tell a powerful story, one that resonates with thousands of aspirants across the country. They tell us that success in UPSC is not defined by the number of attempts, but by the depth of your determination and the consistency of your efforts. Let's reflect on some stories that capture the essence of this journey. Aditya Srivastava, the 2023 rank 1 topper, did not clear the exam in his first attempt. He secured AIR 236 in his second and then rose to the top in his third attempt. Rohani, rank 5, didn't stop despite failing multiple times. On her sixth attempt, she finally succeeded, proving that when the mind refuses to quit, the body finds a way. Zufishan Haq, rank 34, faced failure in 2020, reached the interview stage in 2021, got selected for IRS in 2022, and then finally cracked IAS in 2023. KN Chandna Jahanavi, rank 50, appeared in the reserve list in 2020, got AIR 313 in 2022, and finally secured IAS in 2023. These are not just stories of success. They are stories of unbreakable will. So, if you've failed before, if you're stuck at the prelim stage, if you've missed the cutoff by a few marks, if you have cleared the mains but failed in the interview, or even you have cleared the interview but could not get your desired cadre, remember, you are not alone. Some of the finest IPS officers were once in your shoes. Every failed attempt is not a dead end. It's a learning experience. This journey is not about proving anything to the world. It's about proving to yourself that you have the strength to keep going, no matter how hard it gets. Each attempt is not a repetition of failure, but a refinement of strategy, a deepening of knowledge, and a strengthening of character. The real test is not just UPSC. The real test is your mindset. This examination is not only about facts and figures, it's about managing time, handling pressure, staying focused, and maintaining your inner peace over months, sometimes years. Ask yourself today, not whether you'll crack it in 1 attempt, 2, or 5. Ask, am I willing to keep going until I do? Because once you decide that quitting is not an option, your success is inevitable. Look at Rohani, rank 5, 6th attempt, Ashish Kumar, rank 8, 5th attempt, and T. Bhuvneshram, rank 41, 6th attempt. They will be remembered not just for securing top ranks, but for their unshakable determination and refusal to give up, despite facing setbacks. And one day, your name too will shine on that list. If you choose to persevere and keep moving forward, no matter how long it takes. So, dear aspirants, I urge you today. Embrace your failures. They are the foundations of your future victories. Trust the process. Your hard work is never wasted. Stay consistent. Because UPSC rewards patience, effort, and faith. Let every sleepless night bring you one step closer to your goal. Let every disappointment be a stepping stone to your destiny. You are not just preparing for a job. You are preparing to lead, to serve, and to transform lives. And one day soon, India will know your name. Never give up. The nation is waiting. Your success is only a matter of time. Jai Hind. Subscribe to this channel for exclusive topper insights, expert strategies, and the smartest IAS preparation tips. Stay ahead in your journey to success.